I'm going to tell you the story about Tutubi Patrol. And the title is Si Bumpy Bubuyog at ang mga Alitap. Okay. Inggit na inggit si Bumpy Bubuyog sa mga elder na bubuyog. Kasi nalabas din sila at gusto talaga niya magkita yung pula na gumamela. In English, it's red hibiscus. Isang araw, yung Queen Bee nasabi kay Bumby, ito na, pwede na ikaw magpunta dyan sa labas para magkunin ng nectar. At sabi ni Bumby, pero hindi pa ako ready At sabi ni Queen Bee, dahil young pa ikaw at hindi ready yet, mag-work pa ikaw. Kasi pwede yan para mag-exercise yung mga wings mo. At tapos, nagpunta dyan si Bumby. At pag nakita niya yung mga bulaklak na excited, nakalimutan niya yung mga sinasabi ni Queen Bubuyog. Tapos, nagpunta siya dyan at nasabi yung sunflower, ang cute naman yung bee na yan. Gusto siya magpunta sa akin. At sabi yung red rose, sino ba magpunta sa mga bulaklak? Magpunta siya sa akin kasi maganda at ang bango ako. Mabago ako. At sabi yung gumamelo, uy, ano ba yan? Tayo lahat ay bango. Alam mo ba yan? Hindi tayo alam. And you guessed it. Bumblebee went to... I'll tell you next time in the story. Okay, because that's a surprise. And also, my lesson here is, even though you're small, you can do the biggest things. It means that even if you're just little or maybe a toddler or just a kid, you can still do many things. You can be good at painting, you can be good at eating your food fast. Okay, or many more things. Because you're special as the way you are. Even though you're young, even though you're already an adult, you can still do many things. Because the Queen Bumblebee said, even though you're little, you still need to do work. And also, being young and doing big things is almost the same as what she said. And I think that's all. And any questions?
Okay. Si Bumby anak, so little before? Is Bumby always with the queen?
Always siya sa Reyna, pero nalabas na siya.
At kaya niya na lumipad?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. That's all?
Yeah, that's all. Bye. Thanks for listening.